Hello, my name is Victoria Banca, and
don't think about your name.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It's on?
My
name is
Hello.
My name is
Hello. And I'm here to talk about you guys. To myself. Vicky! Vicky! Vicky!
Yeah, just be excited.
Okay, so keep showing me smiles
God.
because I'm nervous a little bit, so I might
Yeah,
forget.
you are.
Okay. All right. What?
Nothing.
I don't know.
I'll slap you.
All right.
It's one of those products that under delivers and over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Vicky, the hair. Don't touch your hair.
So you under deliver. Okay.
The first one was perfect.
It was perfect.
Okay. I'll be good. I love you guys. I have to say, I'm so glad we're all doing this together.
Just having fun here.
Because Nathan was
It's
like,
not
you're
gonna look
surrounded by
professional, but
friends.
we're having a lot
I
of
don't
fun.
care. It doesn't have. I called Jane 20 times. I go, listen, I don't have the money to be professional, and I have friends in this business. So she's like, they just want to know about yourself, and they just want to see you, how you can perform and talk and stuff.
Okay, let me tell you something.
Okay.
This is on a tape, so
Okay, so you guys might edit a little bit of this in there. That's fine. We'll be doing two. And I get to enjoy my clients and have fun with them, and get paid really well. So I'm not complaining. It's been really an easy, wonderful ride with you guys. Okay, I think I got this. Good, but fuck you.